Hello, and welcome to Getting Started with ZippyDoc. In this video, we will show how to use the Join task in ZippyDoc. Join can be used to combine two data tables. The join may or may not be based on helper columns in both the tables. However, for a join to be based on helper columns, the helper columns must contain data entries that match. Only the entries that match are joined together in the output table. In this example, we will join two tables based on helper columns. The first table contains sales information for a team of salespersons. We will be using product as the helper column in this table. This column has three unique entries: annual license, multi-year license, and demo pack. The second data table contains information about product discount. This table has a column named Category, not Product. We will be using Category as the helper column in this table. This is an important point. For the join task to work, the column names of the helper columns need not be the same. However, the entries in the helper columns do have to match. In order to get started, we need to add both the data tables to a ZippyDoc flow. You can find more information on how to add a table to a flow in our previous video. In this case, we have already added the tables to a flow. We then add the join task to the flow. We do this by clicking the Select Task button and choosing the join task from the available list of options. The task has now been added to the flow, and we can update the description of the task. It's always a good idea to briefly describe what a task is doing. In this case, we'll type in Join Product Data to Category Discount. We can then start entering the parameters. The first pane in the Parameter tab is Select Input Table. In Select Left Table, we will select Data. In Select Right Table, we will select Discount. Next is the Select Join Options pane. In Join By, we will select Specific Field. In Join By Columns, the left table column will be Product, and the right table column will be Category. Next is the Define Output Table pane. In Output Table Name, we'll type Output. And in Output Table Type, we will select Inner Join Table. And we will leave the other fields unchanged. And now we can run this task. Once the task has been executed, a new output table will be generated. We can see that ZippyDoc has created a new tab named Output_I, which has entries from the data table on the left joined to the entries from the discount table on the right. Furthermore, the output table has only those entries for which the entries in the helper columns were a match. As a result, the output table has entries for multi-year license and demo pack only, as there are no entries for annual license. Thank you for joining us in this instructional video series for ZippyDoc. We will see you in the next video.